Packing Christmas Mystery Box. When you see this video, it will be way after Christmas, because I have to wait until the recipient receives their package.
The wax milk is gonna go here. The body butter is gonna go over here. And this bubble part is really big. And there. That's better. Right? Because this is going through customs. I'm not really covering up like I usually do, but I will I would like to put a okay, so can you tell I am like not getting the hang of what I'm supposed to do. And this box is closed. That's it. And this chocolate is gonna go on top of the box like so. And my I'm sending this ghost LED light. This is just so cute. All year round you can use this. And okay, so let's put this on the box. Ooh, blah, blah. I like the sound of, I love the sound of bubble wrap. So guys, I finally got the package in. Oh my goodness. Okay, so this is the card that I sent out. This is my signature card that I sent out. And inside of the card, you know, you have the back part. And inside of the card is where the products are listed as to what I'm sending out. All products are listed as to what I'm sending out. And for the ingredients, the ingredients are all in here. I don't put it on the container. Okay guys, I'm obsessing with this here color. I just can't help myself. Oh, the color, I love it. And this is the chocolate bar Girls Rock. It's in here. And I have to get it in here. So just stuff it in there. I have to get this all. That's goody. Oh. Let me just wrap it up and I'll bring it right back. Okay guys, I am finished wrapping up my package and it is on its way. I can show you the address.